It's very, very comfy, but it's very dangerous. Do you understand me, guys?
Started. Due southeast on Tamnamore Road, then in 3/4 of a mile turn right onto Deliveries Road.
Finally, an open road. And now this nice road with this nice oopsie drink. Ice. The name of the drink is called sprinkling ice water with strawberry and kiwi. This is a free ad for this company. Yeah, they deserve it. They make a nice product. I'm supposed to finish 50 minutes later, guys.
350 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
A cyclist is ahead of me, and I have to be careful. Alright, he is turning.
In 350 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
It is 12:06 now, and I have to finish 7 p.m. That's leaving me with 48 minutes, and I already doing delivery number 27, 36. Alright, that one is 36. I want to move those boxes to the back seat because these are the only ones that left, and I want them to be beside me here. Oh, that's too hard. It's time to take a look again.
Navigation started. South on Deliveries Road, then in 700 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
And it's getting chilly now, guys. It's getting cold. Even though it is 18 degrees now, Celsius degrees, it is getting a bit chilly. Or I should...
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Oh, a car is coming. A car is coming. Alright, that's good. They stopped coming. And as I advised you guys, that I'm gonna reverse my car, prepare it for going after I drop the package. It is book folder 34. Right, go to the front. 34, not 34, go to the front. Not 34, go to the front. Here it is, 34. My leg hurts. Literally, I was driving since 7 a.m. I was driving since 7 a.m. guys. I started to do my full-time job 7 a.m. and that full-time job is doing visits. That's mean driving, and I was driving since 7 a.m. and
navigation started. Southwest, then in 100 feet turn left onto Deliveries Road. 100 feet turn right to stay on Deliveries Road.
I was driving since 7 a.m. and then not only that, I went to Belfast and I came back. My feet hurts from pressing on the clutch. Pressing on the clutch for many times, that gives you a sore feet.
Navigation started. U-turn on Deliveries Road.
It gives you a sore,
350 feet turn right.
a sore foot. And my foot right now sore.
In 150 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
Please use the other entrance. Thank you for letting me know. My leg hurts.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
It's a small box, number 15.
Navigation started. Take a U-turn, then in 150 feet turn left onto Deliveries Road.
Nice gate.
In 300 feet arrive at the destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
Wow. Whoa. That's what I call a palace. 15. For the what amazing big house. Let me show you this house, guys. Fabulous. Alright, I have and now I'm 26, drop number 26, and I have 32 drops.
Navigation started.
And fortunately,
In a quarter of a mile turn left onto Ballynakilly Road.
I am driving downhill now. Downhill. And the car is natural now in it.
In a quarter of a mile, park on Rienna-Derry Road and destination is on the left.
And that's good thing. What is that? Oh, there was a weird noise. Yeah. It's a branch. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a branch. It's a branch that is stuck here. I don't know. I can't reach it. All right. Look, I'm dirty now. I'm dirty. Thankfully, nothing wrong happened, and it's just a branch. Yeah, that's what you get when you drive in a very wet day. I'm sorry, I have to clean myself later. A car is coming behind me. Two cars coming behind me.
Park on Rienna-Derry Road and destination is on the left.
$63. All right. Oh my God.